Trying to lose weight can feel like walking down an up escalator. The higher it rises, the more difficult it is to come back down. Weight gain is a simple matter of consuming more energy than you expend. While that is partially true, there are other factors in play, like low-quality food. Our Western diet has an abundance of cheap, high-calorie foods that are often cheaper than healthier options. Stress. Stress causes your body to go into survival mode, storing energy as fat. Poor quality sleep. Lack of quality sleep has shown to increase the risk of obesity in all ages. Obesity is a physical response to our modern environment. Treating obesity also leads to many other health benefits, like reduced risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and diabetes. Contact us today to get on track for a healthier you.